Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making a cheesy broccoli and rice loaf. Yes, a cheesy broccoli and rice loaf. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I got some broccoli here. Now this was frozen, and what I'm going to do is just snip off the tip and let the water drain out. I usually do it in paper towels. I'll get like a container and put paper towels in it and let it drain the moisture out that way. But I think we're going to be okay this way. Go ahead. Now, I already have this preheated, and there is olive oil in the pan. Now, I just use the boiling bag brown rice from Great Value. You can use white rice if you want. I just don't like white rice. Bags of that. Now I just cooked it by the directions. Stir that up. Now if you want to, you can add mushrooms, onions, whatever, you know. If you want, add more broccoli. Whatever your little heart desires. Okay, I got my loaf pan. I'm gonna spray it with some olive oil. Take some rice, and broccoli. Now you could just add the cheese on top, but this is more like, kind of gives it like more like a lasagna style, makes it a little cheesier. And this is just the Fiesta blend from the Walmart, of course. Parmesan Romano from the Walmart, of course. Just stuff I had left over from other recipes. Now you could add like chicken to this if you wanted to, mushrooms, onions, whatever. Maybe put like a little soy sauce or stir fry sauce on it and do it that way too. I'm just making this for a Blue Dog and Eyes Thanksgiving dinner. So I don't want like soy sauce and all that in there. And I'm making a chicken and stuffing. Chicken breast actually. Nice cream sauce on top. Now what is, there we go. Now I got it, my toaster oven preheated on broil. I'm gonna stick this in the toaster oven under broil until it starts getting like a golden brown, starts melting stuff. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not, but like down in here, you can see where the cheese actually melted through. But you're gonna wanna let this cool off for a while. I'm gonna say maybe 20 minutes or so. You'll kind of know by looking at it. You want it to get stiffened up a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and let this cool off. All right, it's been about half hour or so. Give it a try. Oh yeah, it's still warm, but not really hot. First piece is always the worst. There you go. It's something quick, simple, easy, cheap. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, well, that's a casserole. Yeah, but I used a loaf dish. I'm sorry, a loaf pan. I didn't use a casserole dish, I used a loaf pan. Like I said, you can add chicken, mushrooms, whatever. You know, do your own thing. See how it turns out for you. If you try it, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.